how to fix your picture-in-picture on YouTube if it's not working. So it may be a little bit different on an Android phone. I'm on an iPhone, so let's go ahead and try and make this work. So if you're having a problem, what you want to do is go to YouTube first and go to the U section at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to your settings, which is the gear icon at the top right corner. So from here, you just want to go down to where it says playback under video and audio preferences, and make sure that your picture-in-picture is toggled on. If it is, go ahead and toggle this off and toggle this back on. That should kind of help it. Another thing we can do is make sure that your YouTube app is fully closed and it restarts. So go ahead and close out the app entirely. And then from here, what we can do is go to our settings. You want to scroll down until you find General. And then on iPhones, you're going to have a picture-in-picture area by itself. So go ahead to picture-in-picture. And again, make sure that this is toggled on, because this will start PIP automatically. So make sure this is toggled on. You can always go back and turn it off and turn it on. That always kind of helps. So with those two things, your picture-in-picture should be working. If anything else is happening, go ahead and shut your phone down and restart it, and then go back to YouTube and make sure that your picture-in-picture setting is on there and also in your settings. And that's it. From that point forward, it should work on YouTube.